Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to help you to enlarge your breast or to enlarge your ass. What you see on the screen is what we call the African sausage, or what we call in Twi the Nufutin, and then in Yoruba language it is called the Panduru. So, for people who want to enlarge their breast or they want to enlarge their ass, what you are supposed to do is that you get one piece of this particular herb that you see on the screen, which is called the African sausage. You get it and then you pound it nicely. So after pounding, you extract the juice by sieving it. So you mix the juice with pure shea butter that is not mixed with anything, and then you use it to rub the particular area that you want to be enlarged. So if you want to enlarge your breast, you use it to massage it from bottom to up. And then if you want to enlarge your ass, that one you apply it on it in circular motion. You'll be moving your hand in circular motion, and then you do it for about 2 weeks, and then you see that you start getting results. So you do it up to the time that you see that you get the desirable size that you want. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about how to do spiritual cleansing from all negative energies. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe so that you also benefit from that video. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.